This is my phone N23, and today I'll show all that there is to know about creating and managing screenshots on this device. So I will begin by showing you all available screenshot taking methods. So first, the classic one is to simultaneously press the volume down and power keys once again, and as you can see, the screenshot gets taken. Another way you can capture a screenshot is to enable an alternative method by launching settings. Here, go for the system, I guess. No, not system, some gesture. I should be looking for gesture and shortcut settings or something like that. Maybe special. Oh, yeah, my bad, guys. So enter the special function category and switch on the 3-finger screenshot. And now, once this option is switched on, you can take a screenshot by making the following gesture. Just swipe with your 3 fingers from top to bottom. Not all the way, you can swipe slightly and the screenshot will be taken nevertheless. Now, in order to capture a scrolling screenshot, just take a regular one, doesn't matter which method you will use here, and then press this icon. Now the menu will allow you to crop or select how long you want your screenshot to be and how much you would like for it to capture. Once you've selected the amount of information you would like to take as a screenshot, just save the results. You could have noticed that once the screenshot is captured, you get this little toolbar or miniature. So this button we've already figured out. It allows you to take a scroll shot or long screenshot. This middle button allows you to start editing your photo or your picture rather. This is interface might seem familiar to you because it is a regular Google Photos built-in editor. So yeah, that's how you access it. You can also share the screenshot right away by tapping at this option here. And if you'll, tap at the screenshot miniature itself, you will once again start editing it. Now there is also another interesting shortcut that this phone provides you with. In order to enable it, launch the control panel, then swipe to the last third page or open the list of unused shortcuts by tapping at this button. So anyway, here look for the super screenshot, and this little shortcut allows you to take a long screenshot. It also allows you to take a partial screenshot as well, even draw the custom shape of the screenshot. In order to do that, just press the funny option. What a name. Now you can draw whatever shape or form you would like to get by lasso screenshot, I guess, yeah. Here it is. Or you can also use some built-in shapes, such as rectangular, and so on. You can also scroll here, or draw, mark it up. That is entirely up to you, and from here you can either redo, save, or erase the screenshot. Now, in order to find the screenshots you have captured, simply launch the Google Files or any other gallery app that you prefer using, then go into Albums. In the Google Photos case, you will need to open the library. And as you can see, all your screenshots are being conveniently saved into their separate screenshots folder here. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.